Let's start discussing exercises related to grammar portion. Our today's grammatical topic is of prepositions. Prepositions होते क्या है? A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of a noun. In some cases, you will find prepositions in front of gerund verbs. Gerund verbs हम simply gerunds को भी कहते हैं. A nice way to think about prepositions is as the words that help glue a sentence together, जो sentence को जोड़ता है. They do this by expressing position and movement, possessions, time, and how an action is completed. जब हम word preposition पढ़ते हैं, हमें word से ही पता चल रहा होता है कि this will give a hint about location or position of something. फिर हमारा दूसरा topic आता है prepositional phrase का. A prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition, its object, and any words that modify the object. Most of the time, a prepositional phrase modifies a verb or a noun. जैसे कि अगर हम एक example ले लें, I have a question that is she really going out with this girl? अब यहाँ पे जो हमारी prepositional phrase है with this girl है. यहाँ पे preposition ये है और ये जो this girl है ये हमारा object of preposition है. So let's begin solving exercises. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. हमें कुछ options दिए गए हैं, इनमें से हमने suitable preposition को blank में लगाना है. So first is he lives dash 48 MG Road. We have options in, at, on, for. So the correct one would be at 48 MG Road. Second is we started dash 8 dash the morning. We have several options like at, in at, in on, at on. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा we started at 8 in the morning. Third is this portrait was painted by an artist who lived in the 18th century. Fourth is we must start dash dawn if we want to reach in time. We must start at dawn if we want to reach in time. Fifth is we have been waiting since morning. Sixth is the traveler must reach his destination before sunset. Seventh is the next flight is due at 6 p.m. Eighth is he ran 12 miles dash 2 hours. He ran 12 miles in 2 hours. Ninth is he ran dash the room panting for breath. He ran into the room. 10th is he does not leave his house before 9 a.m. 11th is the train departs at 3 a.m. 12th is dash his children, his nephews and nieces were also present. Besides, 13th is dash last month I haven't seen him even once since last month. 14th is Faisalabad is famous dash its textile mills. For its textile mills. Let's talk about second exercise, which is complete the following sentences using appropriate prepositional phrases. Each question is followed by 3 suggested answers. Choose the most appropriate one. So the first one is dash Sharina, they all seemed pretty cordial. Except for, so it will be option A. Second is dash cancer is curable. To a great extent, cancer is curable. This is also option A. Third is dash the starter. I thought the meal was excellent. Apart the starter. This is option B. Fourth is what is the dash you? Matter of, matter with, matter on. It would be option B. What is the matter with you? Fifth is my car is parked dash the post office. My car is parked in front of the post office. It would be option A. Sixth is he acted dash my instructions. He acted according to my instructions. This would be option B. Seventh is he is dash me. He is at enmity with me. It would be option A. Eighth is I called him dash my voice. I called him at the top of my voice. It would be option A. Ninth is his words are dash the facts. A. At variance with, at variance to, at variance of. His words are at variance with the fix. So with this we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah we'll be talking about some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is Maha, your English instructor, signing out.